I joined Z-MaT as an energetic 23-year-old with a new mechanical engineering degree in hand. At that time, Z-MaT was a well-known manufacturer of motorcycle parts that was moving strongly into the design and manufacturing of machine tools. I remember I was thinking we could be different and better than other machine tool manufacturers because we understood things from the end user's perspective. Now, in addition to being an engineer in Z-MaT R&D Center, I am also part of a team that uses our understanding of tool users' needs to provide complete machining solutions. Not just nationwide, but around the world, is probably the most honorable job in the machinery industry.